Hey XRP family, how you doing? We're going to talk about something for XRP that I don't want you to be tricked by. I don't want you to get caught in this trap. Okay, so we're going to share and have a conversation about this. So today is my wife and mine's our last day in Vegas. We're actually heading back to Dallas today. So we've been out here since Wednesday for our 20th wedding anniversary. I know, I'm shocked that somebody would actually be with me for 20 years as well. She's laughing in the other room. Okay, so we're going to talk about something that I don't want you to be tricked by, and I don't want you to get caught in this trap. So if you look at what's going on with XRP, and by the way, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you would do it. Oh, and by the way, this is free. There's a link in the description below. Go sign up for my free newsletter. It is a newsletter we send you twice a week where you can generate more profit and more wealth with stocks and crypto. It's awesome content, and we don't spam you, don't do anything like that. So it's right down there. Go pick it up. It's free. So go get that. Okay, I promise you will not be disappointed. Your name and email, and you're in. Okay, so what is it that's going on with XRP that I want to talk to you about? Well, look, this chart really shows it. And if you look at this period right here, where I'm circling all this period right there, okay, and if we look at the time, put a timer on this, we're looking at about 48 days, 6 hours approximately. See, it's in this blue box right here, 48 days. So what are we talking about? All right, look, for 48 days, XRP has been consolidating. What is consolidating? It's going sideways. It's trading within a range, and that range is $2.80 and $3.30. That's that range. It's trading in that sideways pattern. And I've seen this time and time again. I've been investing in stocks for 30 plus years because, all the gray hair. I've been investing in crypto. I wish I'd been investing in a lot longer, but I've definitely come to it and wholeheartedly investing in it. But being an investor in general for 30 plus years, and I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional money manager or anything like this, but I've been around the block a few times. I've seen this happen time and time again, where people get tricked by something. They start to look at, for example, their XRP going sideways, and they start to have these feelings of, is this how it's going to be forever? Or another variation on that, there's nothing going on with XRP. This is really boring. I'm never going to make any money with this. It's never going to go up again, blah, blah, blah. I don't want you to get tricked by this, because this consolidation range in crypto, and it happens in stocks as well, is actually a good thing. Now, don't misunderstand. I would love for XRP to be going up every single day, but that's not the reality of investing in stocks or in crypto. It's just not how it is. Stocks go up, they come back down, they go up, they come back down, and so forth and so on. Yes, I know that's very basic, but we need to cover this, okay? Because I do see people getting caught in this trap of selling their XRP, their Bitcoin, their Nvidia stock, their Amazon stock, whatever it may be, okay? When things are kind of boring. And we're coming out of an extremely boring period. June and July, to an extent, August, historically pretty boring. Now, we had an interesting July for XRP, because from here to here, XRP went up 61%. But that actually proves my point, okay? It is those times, by the way, there was another consolidation period before when this took off right here. You see that. There was another consolidation period there where XRP went sideways. There was. These consolidation periods, how I think of them is I think of them as kind of the crypto is building consensus, or some people say it's resting. I don't really, whatever word you want to use. It's kind of going sideways, and it's building support for the breakout up to the next level. Okay. That's what's happening. But again, I do see people get tricked or get in trouble here, where they sell when things are not exciting, and they then lose out. Like, for example, on this 61+% gain that happened back in July. Okay. And that's what I don't want for you. I don't want you to get caught by that trap of boredom, or that trap of it's not doing anything, or anything like that. I just simply don't want that to happen to you. And a lot of you guys who watch my channel, thank you for your support, by the way, are new to investing. You're new to crypto investing, maybe even new to investing, period. Okay. And that's kind of why I wanted to make this video, because I thought that it was relevant and worth talking about, when right now, quite honestly, there's not a lot going on. There's not a lot going on in crypto. I mean, we're now waiting for the Federal Reserve meeting that's coming up in about 11 to 12 days or so. We're waiting for that. And again, we should see a move up after that happens, et cetera, right? So just don't get caught in that trap, guys, okay, where you are left holding the I have no XRP and it just went up 60% back, right? That's really what I don't want to happen for you. So speaking of that, I've just showed you also another way you can make even more money in crypto. Because look, here's how I invest in crypto. I have two ways I do it. I do long-term investing where I buy XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm holding it for 6 months, a year, 2, 3, 4 years, right? It's a long-term buy and hold strategy. And that's one of the main core pillars of my investing strategy. But one thing I also do is I also do what's called swing trading. Okay. And swing trading is where you use technology like my trading indicator. And see this right here, this green momentum up, that's a buy alert. That's a buy alert to that red momentum down. That's a sell alert. Okay. So you actually see in all this data down here, which is cool. It's helping you get even more insight. And you learn all about that in my private group and all that for this. It's helping you know when to buy and sell. But look, these little pop-up alerts can come in on your phone. The software runs on an iPhone, runs on Android, runs on computer, whatever. So how would you like to have made 61% in XRP? Buy here, sell there. Okay, in 21 days. $1,000 bought would have made you $612 in profit. Okay. By the way, you can use the software for stocks as well. See, this is Netflix right here. So Netflix. So look, let me show you this. Buy here, sell there in 62 days, 46% profit. Software said sell, then said buy again, all the way up to that. Now you're at 59%. Okay. And then look, sell and don't take a 15% loss. See this red box right here and so forth and so on. You see how it works. So this is a way where you can be doing kind of short-term trading where you're buying and selling when the software tells you to buy and sell any crypto or any stock. You can use it for any crypto, any stock, period. Okay. The link in the description below, boom, 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 right there will take you to it. Okay. And I want to show this with you. Look, we have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee right there. So if you join today, you get the software, you get access to, by the way, a private group that I have for you. And this is every week I have 3 live coaching events live. These are real people. 61 people are coming to this one, 3 people, and so forth. This is where my coaches teach you how and help you set up everything, answer your questions, give you successful trade ideas, all this kind of stuff. It's all there for you. Okay. So this is something that I spent a lot of money building for you guys to help you be even more successful with the software. Now look at this. The software, when you go to the link in the description below, but if you're watching this on X links below this video as well, the software costs less than you see on the screen. There's a discount code down there as well. Use that at checkout and you will get the software towards $1.15 a day. $1.15 a day. That's less than a cup of coffee. It's less than a pack of gum. It's less than a candy bar. Okay. So is your stock and crypto investing future worth a pack of gum? Is it worth a cup of coffee? You should say yes. At least try it because look, you have 30 days, no questions asked, refund guarantee. So said a different way, you don't have any risk here. You have zero. You can try it and 5 days from now, you don't like it. 10 days, you don't like it. Whatever reason, it's not for you, whatever it may be. You have zero risk in this equation. Okay. So just give it a look. Links are right down there. Go try it out. Like I said, I got live training for you every single week. Everything's there for you. I'm trying to do everything I can to help you. And we have a ton of people in the group that are successful, sharing stories, all this kind of stuff, successful trades. It's really, really awesome. Right down there. Go get it. All right. I'll see you. Take care.